Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add Instagram feed for your site in Wix. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just scroll down in the description and click on the link in the description. When you're gonna click on it, you will get on this site called L-Site. L-Site is an amazing company and they're making a lot of widgets, and one of them is the Instagram feed, and I will show you how you can easily add it. So click here on sign up for free and create an account. When you're going to sign up with the Gmail, Facebook or your normal email, click here on login. In login, you'll be in applications and you want to write here Instagram. And you see it here, Instagram feed. Let's create a widget. And now, so first you have options. Go with the slider, go with the grid, or even a hashtag showcase. I really like the hashtag showcase and I'm going to use that one, but you can choose which one you like. Continue with this template. Okay, and now username. I'm going to choose burger in my own town. Yeah, I have it right here. Like this. And let's see. And let's wait for it until it loads. Until that, you can change the layout. You can have the post template from the tile or classic, and as you can see, we got like our burger. So when we have like colors here and play around it, background, change it to black if you want, and more feed title yummy. Let's leave it like that. So now let's click save. When we have it, you will see like which plan you want to choose. You can go with the light version, and that's 200 views per month, and that's like $0. You can start with that and test it out, or when you're gonna have more views, you can go with the $5 a month. It's not that much, or you can go with all applications they have and choose like which you like. So when we have it, let's copy the widget. Let's go to Wix. Let's click on add, and let's go to more, and then HTML. Let's click it here. Let's make it bigger. Like this. Okay, like this. And now let's just enter the code, HTML. Let's add code and let's wait. And voila, here we got it. Here we got it. And when you have it, it's like really simple. When you go even to preview, you can see it's really perfect, and this Instagram feed is really good. So this is how you can do it. Also guys, check all the applications. Some of them are really good, and I think you would like a lot of them. So check them out, choose the bigger pack or go with a single application pack. I like both of them. So have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.